What is going on, guys? In this video I'll be teaching you guys how to turn my last $50 into $50,000 and within under 30 days. And I'll be teaching you guys in this video how to do it from top to bottom and telling you guys what not to do, what to do. And it honestly comes very simple down to this. It comes down to not getting a job, because that's kind of I don't say scam, but you're capped at a salary or capped at a minimum wage of an hour. Let's say $20 an hour. You're capped at, if you work 8 hours a day, making $160 a day, great, but then you can't move up from there. You can't make more money, right? So the ultimate thing you want to do is make money while you sleep. And how do we do that, right? Online money, right? Wi-Fi money, right? So pretty much, and what you guys see is, you got to be able to sell a digital product online, or at least capture a lot of eyeballs on your videos, right? Either those two things, or you're just really good at talking to people and you can maybe do sales or something like that, right? I recommend going the digital marketing route, where it's, hey, you're selling a product on top of getting a lot of eyeballs on your videos, right? And you're probably wondering, Alex, how do I do this, right? With no experience, no skill, no knowledge, right? Well, it's very simple. Everyone has skills, everyone has knowledge, right? Everyone has some sort of skill set and some sort of interest. And I guarantee you guys, if you have done some stuff that is well in your lifetime that you could teach other people how to do, right? So for example, sell a course. It sounds extremely easy, but not a lot of people want to do it because it sounds scammy. But it's not. It's actually really good. It's a really good way to make money, right? And I hate when people say, oh, it's not a good way to make money, oh, it's scammy. I'm like, no, it's you try doing it. It's not that easy, you know what I'm saying? And I don't say that, I say it easy and also hard because, there's gonna be two sides of the coin, right? People are gonna buy it and be like, hey, I love your product, give you a good 5-star review. And then there's the other side of the coin where it's like, they don't even buy your product and they shit on your product. It doesn't make sense, right? Or there's just another guy who buys a product and they don't even look at the product, but they still junk on your product, right? And they still talk shit about the product. And I'm like, okay, whatever, So there's those are the other sides of the coin with the product, but you can make a lot of money selling digital products. As well as now, guys, TikTok. Literally you can post so many videos and it'd still be unoriginal and make money. I did this for a long time. Just reposting baseball videos and doing little edits and putting them on TikTok, right? There's a lot of people doing that with movies or whatever the hell that they want to put up, right? On TikTok, make 1 minute, make it spicy, get it 10,000 followers. Should take only maybe a couple weeks to get monetized. Same with YouTube. I'm doing a YouTube Shorts channel, literally this channel right now. I'm still kind of split testing videos, but literally just put a sound, right? Literally put a sound and make the text long as hell. Like literally, let's say this is the video, right? You make the text long as hell and they're gonna trying to read the whole paragraph, right? And the average video duration is gonna be like 20 seconds and the video is like 5 seconds and you still get a ton of watch time, right? It's insane. There's so many good ways to make money online: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. It's insane. Obviously, you gotta be patient. There's no get rich quick scheme, but if you can do it right, then you will have a good chance at making a lot of money, right? And I'm still learning myself. I'm young, I'm 23. I'm still building myself up and still trying to make even more money than I have right now, and learning from my mistakes and learning, maneuvering. I'm just giving you guys what I know. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys. So those are kind of the best money making methods I would tell you guys to get even at $30,000 or $60,000. Sorry, $50,000 in under 30 days if I were you and you only have $50. But if you have $50 initially, I guess we can talk about the investment in the $50 if you want to invest it, right? So if you want to invest the $50, then I'd honestly invest in a course or something to increase your knowledge on how to do something a lot better. Or even, invest in a TikTok promotion or Instagram promotion to get more followers so you can end up getting them to buy your product later on, right? And also that takes skills on how to make a good video, right? And I'm not gonna teach you guys how to make a good video, but if you learn it on YouTube for 2 or 3 hours, I guarantee you can learn how to make a good video. There's just so much stuff on the internet that is so easy to make videos on if you just put your time into it for a 2 or 3 hour video and get a little selfie tripod stick, or even learn how to edit on CapCut and post the edits on TikTok and see how you do it, right? So, and you can make literally $3,000 or $4,000 a month, right? So yeah, those are the best probably ways to make money from $50 to $50,000. And if you guys like these type of videos, please subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.